Okay class, proceed tayo sa Module 2. So yung next topic natin is Discrete Probability Distribution. So ano ba yung ating magiging learning objective sa topic na to? So to understand the concept of a random variable and a probability distribution and to be able to compute and interpret the expected value, variance, and standard deviation for a discrete random variable. So, for random variable and their probability distribution, so meron lang tayo ditong ilang definition or terms. For statistical experiment, it is a term used to describe any process by which several chance observation are generated. So, ito yung ating ginagawa. So, nag-experiment tayo para makuha natin yung possible outcome. Then, a random variable is a function whose value is a real number determined by each element in the sample space. So, yung random variable daw is a real number na galing kay sample space. So, for example, 2 balls are drawn in succession without replacement from an urn containing 4 red balls and 3 black balls. When we select that the random variable x is the number of red balls, so una, ano ba yung ating magiging outcome? So sabi without replacement, then bubuno tayo ng dalawang ball dun sa urn. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng red or black ball. So yung ating mga outcome, pwedeng yung first ball is red, then second ball is black. Then another, pwedeng first ball is red, then second ball is red. Then third, pwedeng first outcome is black, then second is red, o kaya naman parehas na black. So bali ito yung ating magiging outcome. So first ball is red, then second is black, then another is first ball is red, then also second ball is red, then third is first ball is black, then second is red, and also same ball na i-draw natin sa urn is are black. So yun, so ibig sabihin yung ating real value or random variable x, wherein sabi ay random variable x is the number of red balls. So, ibig sabihin dito sa ating una, isa lang. Then sa pangalawa, dalawa. Pangatlo, isa. And pang-apat ay 0. Itong value ito yung ating real value or the random variable. So, paano naman kung doon sa random variable x is the number of black ball. So, pag black balls naman, so ito ay 1. Then, ito is 0, 1, and 2. So, nagkabaligtad lang yung 0 at 2. So, yun lang yung sa random variable. Then, another term. So, discrete sample space is a sample space containing a finite number of possibilities or an ending sequence with as many elements as there are whole number. So, alam na naman natin yung sa sample space. So, na-discuss na natin. So, kapag sinabi natin na discrete, ibig sabihin finite yung ating outcome. Then, kapag discrete random variable, it is a random variable whose set of possible outcome is countable. Then, for continuous sample space, ito naman yung infinite number of possible outcome wherein gumagamit tayo ng statement or rule method. So, yung hindi na natin talaga ma-identify or masulat yung mga outcomes kasi nga infinite yung number of possibilities. Then, continuous random variable can take on values on continuous scale. Ito naman yung uncountable. So, hindi agad natin kayang i-measure yung continuous random variable. So, for definition, the set of ordered pairs x, a function of x is a probability function of the discrete random variable x if for each possible outcome x. So, ito yung ating tatlong parang properties. So, for number 1, f of x is greater than or must be greater than or equal to 0. So, dapat laging greater than or equal to 0 yung ating a function of x. Then number 2, yung summation ng a function of x natin ay equal sa 1. Kasi nga, ang probability or ang sum ng probability niya ay laging equal to 100% or 1. Then, P or probability function of discrete random variable x ay equal sa a function of x natin. So, yan yung ating definition. For cumulative distribution, the cumulative distribution f of x of discrete random variable x with probability distribution f of x is given by, so ito yun, yung ating number 3 na definition kanina. So, for example, obtain the cumulative distribution function of the random variable x, where x sums of the number that shows up of the uppermost face of paired dice when rolled. So, alam na naman natin yung cumulative. So, na-discuss na natin nung mga previous lesson or discussion natin. So, ang gagawin natin dito, kukunin natin yung random variable x, wherein yung x daw ay sum of numbers that show up on the uppermost face ng paired dice. So, meron tayong dice, then ano ba yung ating mga random variable? Siyempre, yung random variable natin, mag-start tayo sa 2. Wala tayong 1 since ang pinakamababa natin na magiging outcome is 1, 1. So, ibig sabihin yung sum niya ay 2. So, ito yung pinakamababang random value natin o real number. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hanggang yung 6, 6 natin or ang sum niya ay 12. So, yung 2 na random variable x, ang a function of x niya is 1 over 6. So, 1 over 36. So, di ba yung ating pair dice? So, ang total possible outcome niya is 36. Yung 1, 1, 2, 2 hanggang 6, 6. So, ilan ba dun yung merong sum na 2? So, di ba yung 1, 1 lang? Kaya siya ay 1 over 36. Yung 3 naman, meron tayong 1, 2, at saka 2, 1. Kaya siya ay 2 over 36. Then yung 4 naman, meron tayong 1, 3, 3, 1, at saka 2, 2. Kaya siya ay 3 over 36 hanggang... So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung probability ng per real value o random variable. So, yan. Kitang-kita naman. Ito yung probability niya. Then, ito namang nandito sa third column natin is the cumulative value. So, dun sa una nating random variable, yung 2. So, ang kanya cumulative is 1 over 36. So, same as ito, yung f of x natin. Then, dun sa second, yung real value natin na 3. So, i-add lang natin yung 2, kaya 3 over 36. Then, add din yung 3, 6 over 36. Hanggang dito, 36 over 36 or equal sa 1. So, sabi nga, ang function of x daw ay equal, or yung sum ng neto ay equal sa 1 or 100%. So, i-derive natin yung mga formula based dito sa pagsusolve ng mga probability. So, syempre, gagamitin natin yung table kanina, ito, para makuha natin yung magiging formula. So, letter A, probability that x is less than or equal to 4. Ang kukunin natin dito is the probability kapag ang x natin, kapag ang ating mga value ng x ay less than or equal to n. So, anong formula natin? So, balikan natin yung table. Kapag less than or equal to 4, ano ba yung ating random variable? 2, 3, 4. Then, ang kanyang function of x or yung probability niya is 1 over 36 para sa 2, 2 over 36 para sa 3, and 3 over 36 para sa 4. Ibig sabihin yung probability natin kapag less than or equal to 4, kapag tumingin tayo dito sa function of x, is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 over 36. So, check natin sa cumulative. Sa cumulative value, ito yung 6 over 36. Ibig sabihin kapag hinahanap natin yung probability ng less than or equal to n, ang value lang niya ay yung kanyang cumulative value. Kasi class, yung mga table natin sa probability distribution ay lahat ay naka-cumulative value. Kaya kailangan natin i-derive yung formula. So yun, kapag ang sign natin is less than or equal, ang value niya ay yung kanyang katapat or yung cumulative. So yun. Ang formula natin ay yan. So kapag daw x is less than or equal to n, siya ay cumulative value, yung katapat ng specific n. Halimbawa, probability that x is less than or equal to 3. Ibig sabihin yung katapat ng 3. Dapat ang sagot dito ay 3 over 36. Yung 3, ang katapat na is 3 over 36. So tama yung ating formula na kapag less than or equal to n, cumulative value. Sa letter B, ano yung probability that x is greater than 7? So ano ba pag greater than 7? So greater than 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So ano yung probability niyan? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So dapat ang answer natin ay 15 over 36. Ang answer natin dito kanina is 6 over 36 sa letter A. So ano yung ating magiging formula? Probability that x is greater than n. Ano yung formula natin? Dapat ang dito, kasi dito tayo lagi magbe-base sa cumulative. Ano ang formula natin kapag dapat ang lalabas na value ay 15 over 36. 7. Ibig sabihin, ang ating formula ay 1 minus the probability ng eto. X is less than or equal to n. Yan. Kapag greater than n, 1 minus probability ng x is less than or equal to n. So, kung ang hinahanap natin ay 7, ang katapat ng 7 ay 21 over 36. So, 1 minus 21 over 36 is 15 over 36. So, yun yung ating formula. Then, kapag naman less than n or probability ng less than 6, ano ba yung less than 6 natin? Ito, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang probability niya, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. So, 10 ang sagot dapat. 10 over 36. So, class, ang ginagawa lang natin, tiniderive natin yung formula kasi yun yung gagamitin natin sa mga susunod nating topic, lalo na sa mga binomial distribution. So, gagamit tayo ng table, yung value sa table ay yung cumulative, gagamitin natin itong mga formula. Kapag less than or equal, kapag greater than, kapag less than, ano ba yung formula ang gagamitin. So, kapag ganito, less than n, so ang sagot dapat natin is 10 over 36. Sa cumulative ay ang katapat ay 5. Ibig sabihin, probability ng x is laging nakabase tayo sa cumulative or sa less than or equal. Less than or equal n minus 1. So, babawasan natin yung ng isa. Kapag less than n, halimbawa, less than 4, ibig sabihin, ang formula natin ay x is less than or equal to 3. Kung ano yung katapat ng 3, yun na yung probability. So, kagaya nito, x is less than 6, babawasan natin ang isa since less than, magiging less than or equal na yung ating formula. Check lang natin sa table yung value ng 6 minus 1 or 5. Ang value ng 5 is cumulative 10 over 36. Ibig sabihin tama yung ating formula. So yan, meron na tayong formula ng less than or equal, greater than, and less than. So next na ay greater than or equal. Greater than or equal, ano ba yung value natin? 4. Greater than or equal to 4. So, kasama yung 4 to 12. So, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 4, 27 plus 3, 30 plus 2, 32 plus 1, 33. So, dapat ang answer natin is 33 over 36. So, anong formula natin? Ang given natin ay 4, ang katapat niya ay 6. Dito po tayo merong 3 over 36. Ibig sabihin, probability that x is greater than or equal to n ay equal sa 1 minus the probability ng x is less than or equal to n minus 1. So, babawasan natin ng isa. So, halimbawa niyan, greater than or equal to 4, magiging 1 minus probability ng x is less than or equal to 3. So, ano ba yung value ng 3? Ang value ng 3 ay 3 over 36. So, 1 minus 3 over 36, ang lalabas ay 33 over 36. Or yung answer natin dito, yung 33 over 36. So, yan, meron na tayong mga formula. Ito yung formula na syempre dapat matandaan para madali paggamit ng table. Then last, paano naman kapag equal? Pag equal, check natin dito. Pag equal 8, dapat ang probability niya ay 5 over 36. Ang gagamitin natin ay cumulative value. So, paano natin makukuha yung 5 over 36? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung katapat ng 8 is 26 over 36. Then, ileles natin yung 21 over 36. Kaya siya ay, ang formula natin i-derive dito ay, ang answer natin 5 over 36. Ang ma-derive natin is probability na x is less than or equal to n minus probability ng x is less than or equal to n minus 1. So, yan yung ating formula kapag equal yung hinahanap. So, yan. Na-derive na natin yung 5 kapag less than or equal, kapag greater than, kapag less than, kapag greater than or equal, at saka pag equal.